Price of 5 eggs is taka 75. What is the price of 1 egg? X is the clue word. 5 eggs related to 75 taka, and we have to find 1 egg. Price of 1 egg. A sentence with 5 eggs 25. These two clues. 5 eggs cost 75 taka. Therefore, don't forget to write therefore. How many eggs cost we have to find? 1 eggs. That's why I am writing 1 egg cost 75 divided by 5 is equal 5 bracket sign 75. 7 is greater than 5. That's why I am taking 7. 5 goes into 7 one time. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to, then bringing down 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25, 0. Answer will be 15 taka. Price of 5 eggs is taka 75. What is the price of 1 egg? X is the clue word. 5 eggs related to 75 taka, and we have to find 1 egg. Price of 1 egg. Then 5 egg cost 25 taka, and 1 egg cost 75 divided by 5. We got result 15 taka. Now match the keywords of lecture sheet's keywords and try to solve it.